to our courts now. The 5 men accused of killing Bafana Bafana captain Senzo Mayiwa will be back in court this morning. Lawyers will confirm who's representing accused 1 to 4 after their advocate Malesela Teffo decided to quit. He has now made a U-turn, saying he'll represent the accused, but instructing attorney Titi Tobana told eNCA that he will act for the 4 accused going forward. eNCA reporter Silindelo Masikane is covering the story and joins us now. Good morning, Silindelo. So, are we in fact expecting Advocate Teffo to confirm appearance for accused 1 to 4 today?
I want my advisor to come just briefly.
Well, I think normally that's what we would have expected following his letter to the state prosecutor, George Baloyi, indicating that he's going to resume as the counsel for accused 1 to 4. But speaking to legal experts, it's not that simple. You can't just write to the prosecutor and then expect to just expect the court to just accept that. You need to come to court, present yourself, from what we understand, and then the court and the judge itself will then decide whether they do accept that you have returned on the conditions that there isn't a possibility that you're going to withdraw once more. We know that Teffo in his letter has made some very concerning allegations against the judge around witchcraft and also making demands around what he expects to happen before he actually returns to court. But we also know that we spoke to instructing attorney Titi Tobana, who has confirmed that he in fact will be coming to court to present himself as counsel to be leading arguments moving forward. But I am joined by AfriForum's Barry Bateman. We know that in that letter as well there are some accusations against AfriForum's role and whether they actually still represent the Meyiwa family on a watch brief. So for some confirmation, I'm joined by Barry Bateman. Barry, just tell me, are you guys still representing the Meyiwa family? Do you still have a mandate to come to court and watch proceedings on their behalf?
Yeah, good morning, Slee. Well, we certainly are on the watching brief, and we do still have the mandate for Senzo Mayiwa's mother as well as his sisters. On Thursday, when you broke the news that there was this letter that was circulating, we actually received a call. One of our investigators, Slang Mangwale, who has very close contact with the Meyiwa family, received a call from Senzo's mother, questioning this, and it was in that call that we got the reassurance that we do still have the mandate. The family's just disappointed that we're still dealing with, external matters, side matters. They want this matter to proceed. It's been a very long time since that murder, and they would like to get some closure and for this matter to proceed.
It does seem as though we are deviating from the evidence and the facts and the matters, in fact, of the trial itself. We're back here just to confirm legal representation. As watch brief, are you concerned in the manner in which this trial is unfolding?
Well, we're very concerned, and we've said that almost from day one, in that you and I are standing here now. We are consumed by discussions of what counsel has said outside court, of certain conduct inside court, as opposed to having a discussion about evidence that has been led, about evidence that could bring us closer to closure for the family, evidence that could ultimately result, we believe, because we've said it as well, Slee, that we believe that the case that the state has prepared in this matter against the 5 accused is a strong case, and we would like to see that matter proceed as a matter of urgency.
Would you be concerned as watch brief to see the court perhaps accept Teffo returning as counsel? And if he doesn't return as counsel today, what do you think the consequences will be moving forward?
Well, we're not going to speculate on what the court is going to do, but what we do know is that at the last proceedings, the counsel in the matter did withdraw his services. He can't just come and announce himself that he is back. It says in his letter that he's going to be reconsidering. He can't reconsider. He has made the withdrawal. It is now up to the court to decide. But we remain concerned that what has happened primarily is resulting in delays. Whether or not he's accepted today or back as on brief for the accused or not, it still means that we've got another delay. It means, at the very least, that the 4 accused that were supposed to be announcing new counsel today will, at the very least, still be sticking with their former counsel. Yeah. That will bring some delay of sorts.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Bateman. That is Barry Bateman's, one of the officials rather from AfriForum, Mr. Barry Bateman, just of course then confirming for us that they are still on a watch brief for the Meyiwa family, concerned around the delays, but of course we are expecting court proceedings to start started around 10 a.m. I did receive a message from instructing attorney Titi Tumani that he could possibly address the media ahead of court proceedings, but of course I'll keep you up to date with that. But around 10 a.m. we are expecting to then see the accused back here in the dock, and then the state prosecutor as well as Advocate Zandile Msholoolo, who hasn't arrived as yet, as well, then of course addressing the court on the way forward and the confirmation of legal representation.